Tell me conversions. 1 kilometer is equal to dash dash meter.
1000 meters.
1 meter is equal to dash dash centimeter.
100 centimeter.
1 centimeter is equal to dash dash millimeter.
10 millimeter.
1 kilogram is equal to dash dash gram.
1000 gram.
1 liter is equal to dash dash milliliter.
1000.
Very good.
माझे नाव सेजल सुरेश नवले. माझ्या शाळेचे नाव एस.एन. उजकर इंटरनॅशनल स्कूल. माझ्या शाळेत शिक्षक 6 आहे. माझी शाळा खूप चांगली आहे.
I will tell you one sentence and you have to identify the tense of that sentence. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Okay. Raj played in the garden.
Simple past tense.
Very good. I am going to the market.
Present continuous tense.